Wondering how to see WhatsApp deleted messages on Samsung or other Android devices? Here's the hidden settings that lets you read messages deleted by sender. Note that we respect everyone's privacy and this video is only for educational purpose. So let me show you a demo. Say someone sends you a message on WhatsApp and then what they do is delete the message for everyone. And when you open up WhatsApp to view the message, it will show up as this message was deleted. But there's a way that you'll be able to clearly view what they sent. To do this, on your Samsung or any Android device, you'll just need to open Settings, then go to your Notification Settings, and inside Notification Settings, search for an option called Advanced Settings. And what you'll find here is Notification History, and most of us don't have any idea that it exists. So just open up the notification history, and as we had it turned on, you can see exactly what was written and deleted afterwards. If I tap here, it will take us to the message which is deleted. From now on, no matter which message people unsend, you can just come back here and view them all. Just make sure notification is turned on and you're out of WhatsApp. And that's all there is to it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more.